has glue stuck all over it, so there's no limit. Louder? Yeah.
I'm on here, so you just a little louder.
Hang on. Okay, this is what. Do I have another pair of gloves?
Gloves?
Yeah, okay, yeah, hang on. And I need a pin, that's kind of a small pin. Okay, that's it. The fumes are first too strong for it, so take it out. I have a new. Take it from here.
Okay, it's ready. There you go.
Okay. Hang on. Bring in the girl. Take it out. I have a new. Take it from here.
Okay, it's ready. There you go.
Okay. Hang on. Bring in the girl.
Well, it's finishing.
Yeah. It needs to be free from all this. Yes. Yeah. I wonder which nutcase is going to do something like this. Give me the toothpick, roommate. That's, yeah. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can.
Just look at it. Where did you find this?
I found this in the kitchen,
Oh,
in the money place.
me count. Okay. This mug has to come off very gently.
It has to grow its feathers like this, no?
Yep.
That will take some time.
Well, if it's alright, it's gonna grow beautiful feathers. Glue resistant feathers. After this is done, we have to kind of give it a soak, light sponging of detergent. That might be a little harmful, but ew, what is this?
Dirt on the ground.
Where did you go and hurt yourself? I mean, this is really unacceptable.
It was found in the kitchen.
Yo! Legs. Okay, hang on. Yeah. I like tar. Okay.
And then we have to give it a good washing, no?
Yes, we must first get this out from its body, and then I think a tiny brush would work, but because it has feathers and it has tanglements of hair and stuff, so we'll need to be a little careful that it's not exposed to the fumes first of all. I know.
Birds' feathers, they fly is because the hair is all sealed together. But when it's like this, it cannot fly.
Bird feathers are not sealed together. Bird feathers are
No, I mean as a single bird feather.
a single bird feather.
Yeah.
A single bird feather, a bird will not be flying. A bird needs
Multiple of them.
a bird needs several shapes of feathers collectively
Big and small.
to help them be buoyant in air. Where's that oil? Okay. Yeah. It has a broken beak as well.
Oh yeah, it does. When I tried to catch it and give it to you, it was biting my finger with its beak.
Oh, it was being a little defensive, I guess.
Yeah. Its eyes.
Right.
Eyes.
Yeah.
I do notice most birds sleep with one eye open and closed.
There seems to be a little. I mean, to facilitate it.
Mine decides.
We'll have to like snip this too because
You think the feathers are not affected?
the feathers are affected, and that's one of the reasons why I
No, I mean
think
like,
it's
I mean like
necessary
not severe.
to. No, it's not. It wasn't so severe. Yeah.
No.
But we can't do that to the wing, the feathers that are on the wing, because it won't be able to fly them.
That is true. These feathers will take some time to grow.
And I doubt if, since winter will soon approach, and can you get this removed and have a new replacement so that it doesn't.
New replacement.
Yeah, you gonna be okay? Yikes.
This is like so much more.
Cool. Can we have some tissue?
Yeah.
And, I can have a bowl kind of a thing. Bowl there. Hang on.
Not one
No. You're gonna be okay, alright? Just relax. ঠিক হয়ে যাবে. Oh my. I really don't know if I'm going to eat this.
Wow. They should be rubbed off.
Now I need to individually tackle each feather. And
Separate it.
I hope it's not affecting it. I mean, it's not. If it has a tickle bone, it's gonna flip all over to it. It's gonna flip to the rooms, and that's not gonna be good.
Hey, it's coming off.
Yeah, it has to come off. Yikes. Just look at that. Yeah.
More tissue.
More tissue.
Its backside is also a bit sealed off. Yep, that also is fixed.
Okay, go to resume.
Was it?
Yeah, get back. Give me another set of tissues.
You can use the tissue to rub it off.
On. Can I have some
Tissue?
Yeah, can I have some tissue? Can I also turn the fan towards me because it's getting a little
Is it on the fan?
stifled. It's has a bit of sand. See if you can flap your wings. Check.
Sorry.
Okay. We're getting there.
Right to the wings.
Okay, this is a
It has done. You don't feel it.
this is a common minor of, let's say, varieties on muck.
Yeah.
I would say it's on the scratch, I guess. Where did it get lured to,
These
please?
are the normally the birds that eat some mammals rooftop, yeah?
You see these feathers?
Yeah.
These need to be uniquely separate from one another. Now,
No.
it's holding on to my index finger, so I need to get this knot clear out. The glue that's here for some time. Or I can take parts of it out. Put in box. Can I have a new set of gloves? Is that the glue? That's the glue. Get it off.
Okay, that can be cut off.
Now, just a close inspection of its wing. Okay, it's dehydrated and it needs
Food and water.
food and water as well as
Feathers to go.
okay. Alright. Take this away. So we're gonna keep this for a while till its wings and feathers dry out. And once it's mobile, we'll try to make this little fella fly. As you can see, it did receive a little scarring here, so to medicate that. Hang on. The fins need to be individually dried. Could we... Okay. Could we just tear this off from here? Thanks. So this wing gets... And then... Wait, hang on. Do we have powder? We could tear this off from here. Excuse me. There. And now get this rolled over. With the tail and your okay. Ta-da! Okay, I hope this bird Maina gets to see the day of light again,
Mm-hmm.
hopefully tomorrow, and is able to fly off, well, just like other birds. So whoever has done it has not done a very good job. ESP trying to trap rats or birds. There is no way of making, you know, birds suffer in this inhuman way. It's sort of cruelty. They can't feed themselves, and most importantly is that they perish.
Of course, I can mute this off. So it's like you'll do the voiceover separately, so that way the voice can be heard properly without any lowering or
Turn it off a little.
yeah.
Just apply a little powder so that the glue, whatever glue is there, can you have a little bit more? Yeah, whatever glue is there kind of neutralizes it. So now let's see it flap its wings.
Oh yeah, much better now.
Can you fly?
Yeah, it will take some time for it. It's done. Needs some light.
It's juvenile. It's a juvenile bird. It's not an adult bird.